What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today, we're checking out the best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver that makes screen sharing simple and cable-free. If you're tired of long HDMI cables running across the room, this could be the perfect solution. Let's see what makes it stand out and why so many people are talking about it. Let's get started. The Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is designed to give you smooth and flexible wireless video transmission. What's great is that it comes in two versions, the G10W Lite and the G10W Pro. The G10W Lite is built for simple point-to-point connections, which means one transmitter and one receiver working together. The G10W Pro takes it further by supporting both point-to-point and software-based connectivity. This gives you more options depending on how you want to use it. One of the best things about the Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is how easy it is to use. It is truly plug-and-play. There is no need to install drivers, download apps, or deal with complicated network settings. You just connect the transmitter to your source device, connect the receiver to your display, and it starts working. This saves time and removes frustration, especially when you need a quick setup. The system supports wireless transmission up to 50 meters in an open environment. That is a long distance for wireless HDMI. It gives you the freedom to place your screen or projector far from your source device without running cables across the floor. Keep in mind that walls or obstacles can reduce the range, but in open spaces, it performs very well. Another strong feature of the Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is its 5G wireless transmission technology. This helps deliver high-definition video with low latency. In simple words, the picture stays clear and the delay is minimal. This is important when you are showing presentations, watching videos, or sharing content where timing matters. If you choose the G10W Pro version, you also get multi-connection support. The receiver can connect with up to 8 transmitters at the same time. That means multiple devices can be ready to share their screen. Switching between them is easy. You just press a button on the transmitter you want to use, and the screen changes. This makes meetings and group presentations much smoother and more organized. In terms of design, the Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is compact and modern. The units are small enough to fit easily behind a monitor or projector. They do not take up much space, and they keep your setup clean. No messy cables, no complicated hardware, just a simple and neat wireless connection. Less cables, more freedom. If you want a clean and easy way to transmit video wirelessly, the Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.